How to delete your user account in Windows 11. Hey guys, this is Lucy. Let's get started. So there are two ways to delete your user account. Let's move on to the first one. Go to your control panel, search panel in your start menu and open it. Make sure you have your view by as category, and here under user accounts, you will see change account type. Click on that. Now you will find your two accounts. Now go to the account you want to delete. Now you will find delete the account. Click on it and it will delete your account. So it will ask you if you want to back up your account's files, then make sure you have backed it up and click on delete it afterwards. So the next one is to go to settings. From the start menu again, go search for settings, open it, and here go to accounts. Scroll a little and you'll find other users. Click on it. Here, click on remove. After that, it will successfully remove your account that you don't want. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.